Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Teacher Mel. In my previous video, we talked about the addition of fractions with the same denominator, and today we're going to still talk about the fractions, okay? But it's adding fractions with different denominator. So how we are going to add fractions with different denominator? So let us find out. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell below so that you will get notified for the next video. Okay, so in adding fractions with different denominator, for example, if you have 2 over 3 plus, let's say you have 3 over 4. Okay, so normally in adding fractions with different denominator, we get the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, so the LCM of two numbers, the LCM of 3 and 4 is like, or the multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24, and so on and so forth. Yeah, while the multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on and so forth. So if you see in these sets of numbers, the multiples of 3 and 4, 12 are the same. Yeah, so they're the same. And then also 24. This is what we call the common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, so go back to the problem. In adding fractions with different denominator, you have to make the denominator the same. How? So in this case, the LCM is 12. The least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So how will you make this one, the 3 here, becomes 12 and 4 becomes 12 also? Yeah? Because our target is to make them the same. So 3 times a number is equal to 12. So that will become times 4. Okay, and you multiply the denominator by 4, you also multiply the numerator by 4. Similar to here. So 4 times a number is 12, and that will become 3 times 3. Okay, so simplify. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. So as you can see now, your denominator will be is the same now. Okay, so the denominator is the same already. So in our previous topic, adding fractions with the same denominator, so all you have to do is add the numerator. So that will become 8 plus 9 over 12. And 8 plus 9 is 17 over 12. And that is equal to 1 and 5 over 12. And that is our answer. When we add 2 over 3, we add 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. Yeah. So the answer is 1, 5 over 12. See? Alright, let's take another example. So let's say the fraction is 3 over 7, right? Plus 2 over 3. Okay, so 3 over 7 plus 2 over 3. Normally, to make the denominator the same, we just use 3, okay, to multiply it here. So times 3 this one, and then times 3 of course the numerator, and use 7 to multiply it here. So times 7 times 7, right? Okay, now so just simply multiply 3 times 3 is 9, then 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 7 is 21. So as you can see, your denominator now is the same. So all you have to do is simply add 9 plus 14. That is 9 plus 14 over 21. Then 9 plus 14 is 23 over 21. And what is 23 over 21? That is equal to 1 and 2 over 21, right? So that is the answer, right? So that's the answer when you add 3 over 7 plus 2 over 3. Okay, the answer is 1 and 2 over 21. One more example. If you have 7 over 9, so the fraction is 7 over 9 plus, let's say, 6 over 3. Okay, 6 over 3. So again, so as you can see, 9, the denominator of 7 over the denominator of this fraction is 9, and the denominator here is 3. So we can just simply multiply 3 times 3 to make it 9, to make the denominator the same. Yeah, so when we multiply this one by 3, we also multiply the numerator by 3. So you will get like, so just copy 7 over 9 plus 6 times 3 is 18 over 9. So as you can see, the denominator, your denominator now is the same. So all you have to do is just add 7 plus 18. So 7 plus 18 over 9. And the answer is 25 over 9. Okay, so when you divide 25 over 9, how many 9 can you make from 25? That is 2, then 7 over 9, and that is our answer when you add 7 over 9 plus 6 over 3. Yeah? So the answer is 2 7 over 9, right? Here you go. For the last example, so if you have 3 over 8, so 3 over 8 plus 2 over 6. Okay, so to make the denominator the same, we get the least common denominator, okay, or the LCM of 6 and 8. So in this case, I'm just going to multiply this one. You cannot see it. I'm just going to multiply 8 by 3, and I'm just going to multiply 6 by 4. So 6 times 4 is 24, and 8 times 3 is 24. So it's the same. So, and I also of course multiply this one by 3, and then this one multiply by 4, right? And then you can proceed to the process. 3 times 3 is 9, 8 times 3 is 24, so plus 2 times 4 is 8, 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, then all you have to do is 9 plus 8 over 24. 9 plus 8 is 17, over 24. So this is the final answer because we cannot simplify it anymore. So when we add 3 over 8 plus 2 over 6, the answer is 17 over 24. Right? So hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe and then click the bell below so that you will get notified for the next video. Right? Thank you so much.